What's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily view your Apple iPhone Air on your TV wirelessly. Let's go. Hey there, welcome back to the video. My name's Sergio. In this channel, I make life-saving tech videos. So if you're new here, feel free to subscribe and hit the bell while you're done. All right, let's jump right into it. So I'm going to be showing you how you can connect and view your Apple iPhone to your TV wirelessly, and it's super easy. All right, let's jump right into it. So first thing you need to do is you need to make sure that your TV and your iPhone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So go ahead and verify here the Wi-Fi network on the TV and on the iPhone. As you can see, they are connected to the same network. Okay, so once you have your TV and iPhone connected on the same Wi-Fi network, we are ready to go. It's super simple. All you gotta do is swipe down from the top right-hand corner of your iPhone, and you're gonna see this option right here. Okay, this is called screen mirroring. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and select this and give it a couple seconds. It's gonna automatically read your TV. So as you can see, it's showing up right here, Samsung AU800. So we're gonna go ahead and select the TV. Okay, give it a couple seconds, and there you go. It's trying to connect now to the TV. It's gonna give us a code here on the TV. We're gonna enter this code here on the iPhone. Okay, go ahead and hit OK. And there you go. So as you can see, we are now mirroring the iPhone right on the TV. You can see anything that you want from your phone now on the TV. If you wanna, show some family and friends pictures or videos, go ahead in your photo gallery, and you can go ahead and view pictures and videos on the big screen. Or you can also use it if you wanna, maybe go on streaming apps like Netflix or YouTube. Okay, you can go ahead over to YouTube and, play any videos on the big screen as well. You can control the volume straight from your iPhone here. You can put volume up, volume down.
Oh yeah, this'll work. Ask anything in AI mode.
Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you you can maximize the screen. Your Apple AirPods. Alright, so let's go ahead and give this video a like. A variety of different reasons why you may want to reset your Apple AirPods. Yep, there you go. So let's go ahead and pause it. And once you're ready to disconnect your iPhone from the TV, just go ahead and swipe down here and hit the screen mirroring button. And then it's going to give you the option here to stop mirroring. Once you select that, it will automatically stop mirroring and your TV will go back to normal. All right, everyone, there you go. So that is how you can easily view your Apple iPhone Air on your TV wirelessly. Go ahead and destroy that like button if this video helped you out, and comment down below and let me know. That's all for this video. I'll catch you in the next one. As always, peace.